school reopening, there was some fake news few days back the schools will open only in December. The fact is nobody knows. I don't know, you don't know, nobody knows, least of all the government. Only thing that is going on is just discussions and planning. Even the headline it says reopening of schools, senior classes may resume. It doesn't say will, it says may. It may be, it may not be. But in case it opens, let's hope it opens, it will open in a phase wise manner. That means class 10 up to 12 will be coming first in batches, and then they will see the situation. So let us wait for the next big announcement will be the unlock after August 31, and then we will know. But in any case, the final decision is given to the state governments how to bring back students to classrooms. That is what it is, what I know, I am sharing with you. I know all of us are restless, we are impatient to start the normal class. Now, another thing, let's get it out of the way. The red line is a graph, a statistical graph showing the number of infections. The green line is, let us say, the people who got infected and they have also recovered. That means they got better and they went home. They are normal now. Now, the other one that is worrying is, let us say, the death rate, people who unfortunately lost their lives. This is also the graph. Not just the government, the medical department, the doctors, epidemiologists, virologists all over the world will be studying this, and they will not like to take any chance. So, this is how things are going to be. Firstly, the number of infections has to somehow stabilize, as they say, flatten the curve, and it has to go down. The number of recoveries also have to go up. And last but not the least, the death rate has to come down. Only when this situation is there, then things, not just schools, colleges, markets, offices, transport, everything should be back to normal. Right. So, what is the issue now? Let us look at the situation in India and Manipur. Even if a person is infected, they get better and they go home. A very small minority of people who already have some pre-existing condition like diabetes, kidney failure, these are the ones who are a little bit of danger. But not so much now because new medicines, new treatments are being developed. So let's discuss this now and then we'll get it out of the way. It looks alarming, yes, number of cases, number of deaths, but let's look at the number of people who recovered. It's very high. So this is going up. Now let's go to Manipur. Recovered, is it going up? That's a good indication. And number of deaths, unfortunately, it's going up. So in this situation, it will be very unwise to get people together, whether it's a school or college or transport or market or whatever. Let us be hopeful. The latest information or the news or the indication is that from September, classes may open. That is just a may, it may or may not be. But one thing that will be, so that is when school is open, we will have exam.
Yes, sir.
Right. Those who cannot join online class, by the way, it's not compulsory. Those who can't afford a phone, I will make arrangement for a phone. Maybe I'll arrange it myself or I'll get my friends or others to help out to get you a phone. Right? But still then, there are still so many of you who utilize this chance to play PUBG or whatever. Please don't do that.